we're gonna go on a little further. Of course, it says there's a bathroom up here. I guess in the spring, these would be all covered with flowers and leaves. Not quite spring. This is quite a climb. You can hug a tree, or if you're like Janet, you could just play music with giant wind chimes. So we're headed back down. I still hear parrots though.
They show donkey rides.
So this is the kids' adventure park. And they're doing a show. I don't know what. Oh, they're getting geared up to go zip lining. Don't know why the life preservers. So the zoo is up here. This is a long way up. Just so you know. Watch out for this tray. Whoa, dude. Easy.
There's another one.
Well, I guess that's the end of the zoo. So there's a kids zip line. There's several stations. Kids Adventure Cove or Adventure Park. Another one of these bridges. Hi. Life jackets, lockers, sports center. Oh, snorkeling. So you come here to get a snorkel.
Yes, for bring equipment for the snorkeling. If you want to try to do it, but this time I want to be honest with you, the water is not really good for doing snorkeling, but we have some different activities included on your packet: zip line, slide, floor rider, all the way to the other side. Or in case that if you want to walking around only, we have little zoo up there. But when in beach, look to the right, you can see monkeys, birds.
As we make our way back to the beach, we happened upon this building, which says it's mezcal tasting. Guess they don't want you to go up those steps to the roof. But these guys are drinking.
Hey, where were you?
Up there.
Wow, welcome. Come on, sit.
Well, this is the nicest place here.
Whoa.
Look at that floor. Janet would like you to know mezcal tasting was a big hit with April.
Yes, it
Abril.
was. Abril. And the cricket was not too bad either.
Yeah, she's toasted. Me, I'm manageable. Manageable. So we're going to go back down to the beach and cross back the way we came, we hope. Although, I guess it's high tide now. So we're going to be walking through the water. Did you want to go that way, not do the water?
It's fine.
All right. Janet's timing it. Brrr. That's not cold. Okay. Go, run. Run, 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 run. This is how Janet runs. Told you to run. Hold my hand.
I hope you got that.
Well, I think I did. Anyway, I'm all wet on my
That
back.
takes the buzz out of the whole thing.
Adventures Gym. Oh, see the barbell there with the woven baskets and the wooden dumbbells and the mirror. Okay, so maybe that's the water slide. Well, there's one there. A dunk tank with county fair. Dunk tank, one of the water slides. I'm guessing the rattlesnakes. Yeah. Hi.
Hola, welcome, welcome. What do you want to do, guys? Welcome to the paradise. You guys ready?
Maybe.
Come on, why maybe? You look ready. Go ahead, guys. Keep going and enjoy.
Then you got to walk back up though.
I know.
And here's seals, sea lions, whatever. Okay. No inglés. No cruise. Oh, no cruising. Do not cross. The terrace bar is down there. Oh, there's a shed over here. Not enough rain over there. So this is the terrace bar, I guess. Where that is. That's the zip line right there. This area is dead. Terrace bar is down there. Water slide was up there. Of course, if you take the water slide down, then you've got to walk back up, right? Zip line. So they also have one of these. Oh, they got a little board there. Everybody wants to be on camera. They call it the low rider, the flow rider. I think that's what they call it on Royal Caribbean too. Flow rider. So it's time to go back to the shoot in Las Caletas, Getaway, whatever you want to call it. Janet had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun, even though we didn't do anything. But we had a lot of food and drink.
And a lot of relaxation.
From Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
I I'm Janet.
I'm Gary.
And we'll see you in the next one.